back to Turbo Track, the ultimate destination where we bring you the world's most exclusive machines, the kind of automobiles that redefine imagination and turn the future into reality. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most ambitious luxury creations ever envisioned, the 2027 BMW Luxurious. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece designed to push the limits of automotive design, performance, and comfort. A true fusion of futuristic engineering and BMW's iconic philosophy of sheer driving pleasure, the 2027 BMW Luxurious is a motorhome unlike anything we have seen before. Let's start by walking through the exterior, because from the very first glance, the BMW Luxurious commands attention in ways words can barely capture. The body is sculpted with a futuristic aerodynamic profile, blending the elegance of BMW's design DNA with the bold proportions of a luxury motorhome. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek, panoramic glass cockpit, curving seamlessly into the body with no harsh lines. The legendary BMW kidney grille has been reimagined in a glowing, illuminated form, integrating state-of-the-art LED lighting that stretches across the body like veins of electric energy. This is not just for looks, these intelligent lights adapt to the environment, from city streets to highways, ensuring maximum visibility and a distinctive presence. The side profile is equally breathtaking. The elongated body flows like liquid metal, with a high-gloss paint finish enhanced by nano-coating technology that resists scratches and dirt. 6 massive wheels, designed with futuristic carbon fiber rims and adaptive suspension systems, ensure this motorhome floats across the road as if defying gravity. Hidden within the sculpted side panels are retractable elements that enhance aerodynamics at high speeds, making the Luxurious both striking and efficient. The illuminated BMW branding embedded in the side windows glows subtly, almost as if the vehicle itself is alive and breathing. Move to the rear, and the design innovation continues. Instead of a flat wall, the rear features a tapering design with integrated LED strips that form a light signature visible from miles away. The motorhome incorporates active spoilers and vents that open or close depending on driving conditions, giving it the performance edge of a sports car with the scale of a luxury palace. Every angle, every curve, and every detail of the BMW Luxurious is designed to reflect power, sophistication, and exclusivity. But beauty is not just skin deep, because what truly defines the BMW Luxurious is its performance. Underneath this futuristic design lies one of the most advanced powertrains ever built. The 2027 BMW Luxurious is powered by a next-generation all-electric system, featuring 4 independent electric motors, one for each axle pair, delivering a combined output of over 1,500 horsepower. That level of power propels this massive motorhome from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, an achievement once thought impossible for a vehicle of this size. The battery technology is equally groundbreaking. With BM's solid-state battery innovation, the Luxurious offers an astonishing range of nearly 1,200 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities allow it to regain 80% of its energy in just 20 minutes, making long journeys seamless and stress-free. Intelligent energy management distributes power not only to the drivetrain but also to the onboard luxury systems, ensuring no compromise between performance and comfort. The ride quality is a masterpiece in itself. BMW's adaptive air suspension adjusts in real time, adapting to road surfaces, weather conditions, and driving dynamics. Whether cruising on highways, maneuvering through tight city streets, or gliding over uneven terrain, the Luxurious maintains an unrivaled sense of stability and smoothness. The integration of autonomous driving technology further enhances the performance. The 2027 BMW Luxurious features full Level 5 autonomy, meaning it can take complete control of driving tasks when desired, allowing passengers to relax, work, or entertain themselves while the vehicle handles the rest. Yet, for enthusiasts, the manual driving mode offers that raw connection with BM's performance DNA, reminding us why the brand is still synonymous with ultimate driving pleasure. Now let's step briefly inside, because the interior is where the word luxury takes on a whole new meaning. Entering the BMW Luxurious feels less like stepping into a vehicle and more like walking into a private penthouse suite floating on wheels. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, hand-stitched leather, sustainably sourced wood, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting that adapts to mood and time of day. Every inch of the interior is crafted with an attention to detail that is unmistakably BMW. The front cockpit offers a futuristic driver's seat with augmented reality displays projected directly onto the panoramic glass. Controls are fully touch-sensitive, with haptic feedback making interaction intuitive and seamless. Behind the cockpit lies the heart of the living space. Expansive lounge areas include reclining seats that transform into beds at the touch of a button, a gourmet kitchenette with smart appliances, and a lounge-style entertainment suite featuring a 100-inch retractable OLED screen paired with a 3D sound system. The Luxurious even features